Hello students, previously in the virtual class we learned about how to create an email account. Step by step I show you how you have to create an email account. So I am going to next topic, that is the screen of an email. Okay. So first of all, what is the screen of email? Components of email window. First of all I want to show you the email screen. That is this is your email screen. I open my email account and I will show you which are the email screen, and I zoom it so you can easily see it. So these are the components you have to be used for your email. If you want to send the email, if you want to share your email, these are the many more options are available here. For example, this is the smaller, so you can increase the size of this also. Okay, sorry, I just if you enter on the more, you can see the more options from that. Okay, these are the options are available for that, and you can choose one of them for of your purpose. So first of all, let's see the components of email window. First is the compose, to write a new mail. If you want to send a new mail, then you have to click on this button. Second, inbox. For example, when you open your WhatsApp, then you can receive the messages like that. In the inbox you can see the messages that is received by you. Next is the send. I am just showing you that are useful for you, mostly useful for you, but some of are not useful for you. Send, it is used to send the mail as stored here. Third, mails are written but not draft, is the mails written but not yet sent. For example, if you don't want to send the messages to your colleagues, to your friends, so in this condition what should you have to do? You have to just write down and just back, so that message will be saved as the draft. Not only the email, in your WhatsApp also, in your messengers also you can see that. Then spam, unwanted mails. For example, I say the word the blocking. If you want to block someone, if you don't want to receive the mails from that person, then you can put them on the spam. ट्रैश, डिलीटेड मैसेज. जितनी बार भी आप डिलीट करोगे मैसेजेस, वो सारे ट्रैश में सेव होंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हेन यू डिलीट सम ऑफ द थिंग इन योर कंप्यूटर, यू कैन सी दैट फाइल और द फोल्डर इन योर रिसाइकल बिन. लाइक दैट, इफ यू वांट टू डिलीट द messages that will be stored on the trash. So here there are inbox, state means the important message. If you want to state, for example, I want to state this message, you can see the star here, then it will be state. When I click on that, the star will be, you can see so these are the state messages. Snooze, if you want to put a reminder to send an email, you can choose the snooze. Send, if you send any of the email, you can see I send some of the message to another person and that will be displayed here. These are the some of the messages that I sent. Drafts, if you just write down that but not send, that will be saved on the drafts and that color will be red. When you click on the more options, you can see here important. If you think that message will be important from you, and if that message is received encrypt by encrypt, means the person that you already know the mail account, then it will be considered as the important mail. Chats, if you want to do the chats, it's a one type of hangouts. Scheduled, what is the meaning of schedule? Means if you schedule the email at the time you want to message some person, then you can use the schedule. All the mails means if you send the mail, if you receive the mails, that all will be come in the all the mails. Spam, if you don't want to receive any of the mail, then you can choose the spam, and trash will be here. Okay, there will be no conversion in the trash, so in my mail account you cannot see this will be, and there will be one message passed to you, messages that have been in trash more than 30 days will be automatically delete। मीन्स वो 1 month तक ही रहेगा, बाद में वो अपने आप ही डिलीट होना स्टार्ट रहेगा। ओके, नाउ you know that Google install a one new feature that is a Google Meet for video calling and for joining the meeting। जैसे हम अभी Zoom यूज़ कर रहे हैं वैसे ही Google Meet भी होता है, same thing you can use। Next is the components of Compose window। Compose means if you want to send a new mail to a person, then you can use the Compose option। So here is the Compose। When I click on this, you can see the one screen here। Okay, first of all to means आपको किसको मेल भेजना है। For example, I am writing my mail address again। So here you have to be write down the receiver mail, मतलब आपको जिसको भी मेल भेजना है उसका मेल एड्रेस आप यहाँ पे लिखोगे। Next is the subject। For example, this is the regarding to the result, then you have to be write down the result। Then if you want to write down the some of the topics here, then in the body part you can write down some of the topic that I am writing। Okay, so then this is the send button। if you want to send the mail directly, then you can use this button। this is the formatting option for formatting the text। if you want to bold the text, then you can select this italic, underline, color, that is totally dependent on you। you can see here the color will be changed also, and here you can use all these things। Next is the attachment। sorry, I just directly open। this is the attachment। using this file you can send any of the document। here you can see the document already opened। for example, in the class 5 I have one type of documents like this, so I choose this one and put an open। then you can see this will be considered here and process in the continue। when the process done, you can see it will be converted in the blue। these are the symbols, these are the links। if you want to share the links, for example you want to share the YouTube link, you can share it with here। images, so simply you can compose the video like this and send। I send on my mail, so I will check that mail will be received to me or not। inbox, you can see result, Podar International School, one PDF file, and I also send the mail, so I have to be check this mail in the sent also। so you can see the sent, in the sent the mail also there। so these are the components of the Compose video। okay, next time we learn, already we saw Compose the video, already we learned this topic। next time we learn the formatting, deleting, attach the file in the detail, how to check this file in the detail। okay, so I am going to end my session, and next time we will meet soon। thank you so much, have a good day, bye।